In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in CampSpot. First, open your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the search bar, type in CampSpot, and hit enter. You will see a list of search results displaying various links related to CampSpot. This step is essential because it directs you to the official website where you can manage your camping reservations. Take a moment to ensure you are selecting the correct site. A quick glance at the URL can help confirm that you are heading to the right place. Next up, click on the link that leads to the CampSpot website. The main page will load, showcasing various camping options and features available. It's crucial to land on the official site to ensure you are accessing the most up-to-date information and deals. Once the site is fully loaded, you will see a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to find what you need. After that, you will need to add your preferred location, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests, including children and pets. Once everything is filled out, click on the search button. This action will help filter the available sites based on your criteria. It is important to be specific in this step so that you locate options that fit your needs perfectly. The results will display various camping sites that match your input, allowing you to explore your choices. Now, under Access Permissions for events on the site, check the box that says Make Available to Public. This ensures that your event or reservation is visible to others. If you prefer to keep your booking private, consider selecting the drop-down option to see only free/busy hide details. This little adjustment can save you some privacy while still allowing essential visibility. From there, choose a site that catches your interest. You will see various options displayed on the screen, each with unique features. Selecting the right site is vital because it determines your camping experience. Take your time to review the options and pick one that meets your needs and preferences. Next, once you have selected a site, you can check its amenities. Click on the site location to explore what facilities and features are available. After reviewing, click on Add to Cart. This step is crucial because it allows you to proceed with your booking process. By adding the site to your cart, you are one step closer to confirming your reservation. At this point, click on Review Cart to ensure that everything looks correct. After reviewing, proceed to checkout. This step is where you will finalize your reservation and make the necessary payments. Double-check the details in your cart to avoid any issues later. This little verification can save you from potential headaches down the line. Finally, click on the option that says Enter a promo code. Input your coupon code before completing the order. This is the moment where you can apply any discounts you have. Make sure to enter the code correctly to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the code, you are ready to finalize your order. This step is important because it can help you save money on your booking. Now you are set to enjoy a seamless booking experience on CampSpot. Remember, applying a coupon code not only saves you money but also enhances your overall experience. Happy camping!